once I know hope, surrounded by shadows, wayside Iowa.
Something's happening to me. The G915 is the most advanced gaming keyboard Logitech G has ever produced, and now you can get it in a 10 keyless format. G915 TKL takes the same high-performance technology of the original and delivers it in a sleek 10 keyless format. Put simply, if you want advanced gaming performance without sacrificing style, G915 TKL is the choice. The G915 TKL boasts the fullest feature set of any wireless keyboard out there. Lightspeed Wireless gives you the same faster-than-wired performance currently powering many of the world's elite pro players to victory with super fast 1 millisecond report rate. Woo! And you get an incredible 40 hours of non-stop use with full RGB light sync enabled with just under 4 hours of charge time. You can even switch between Lightspeed Wireless and Bluetooth, allowing you to easily use across multiple devices. There's no compromise on switch choice either. The stunning low-profile switches are available in 3 types: GL Tactile, Linear, and Clicky, all of which are low profile, allowing for 25% faster actuation and an effortless typing experience. Dedicated media keys and an edgeless volume roller keep full control at your fingertips. To cap it off, the keyboard's amazing features are housed within a sleek, ultra-thin brushed aluminum top case and is available in stylish black or white colorways. The new G915 TKL perfectly marries cutting-edge technology with sophisticated design. To find out more, head over to logitechg.com.